Hey, 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 what's up, bosses? I'm getting ready to go on a trip, but I'm excited about it. I'll give you information. Usually on my trips, I don't give dates when I'm leaving, when I'm coming back. But welcome to Boss Moves 2.0. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Murthy Hazel. Please, if I bring value, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you know how YouTube sees value in you subscribing is if you watch it for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Then you like, comment, and then you subscribe. That's just a little helpful hint for people that woke up this morning and half your subs was gone. I just want you to know, be a genuine subscriber, okay? If you're going to subscribe, be genuine. And like and share that content. We're all growing. We all want to win. So let's do it together, all right? So you don't want to miss the video today. It is going to be fire. See you on the inside. Toodles. All right. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for staying tuned in. I just want to say to you, bosses, what's up, bosses? How are you doing today? You're bosses in your own right, and I like to shout you out. But if it's your first time, welcome to Boss Moves 2.0. And if you're returning, might I say thank you for stopping back in. You don't want to miss a day. My challenge for August for myself is to upload a video a day. And that's going all right because I have a list of content and things that I've thought about posting. So thanks for joining me today. Today, I want to talk to you about being a trailblazer. A trailblazer is someone that will walk over or tread over areas of ground that have not been tilled, that have not been walked on before. A trailblazer is someone that's willing to go there. Can you say go there? Go there. That's what a trailblazer does. A trailblazer will make awesome moves. Harriet Tubman was a trailblazer. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a trailblazer. Malcolm X was a trailblazer. W.E.B. Du Bois was a trailblazer. I just want you to understand, you're going down grounds that have nobody has walked down, but you're bold enough to hold your focus and stand in spite of the challenges, the ridicule, and the mayhem that comes against you. But you stand and you go. And you pave that ground for other men and women to come across that same trail and be successful. The Wright brothers were trailblazers. Michael Jordan was a trailblazer. Kobe Bryant was a trailblazer. What are you doing with your gifts and your talent? Step out into an arena. Maybe the Lord wants you to write a book. Maybe he wants you to counsel other young women or young men. Our young people, and I can speak from experience, are many times going down the wrong path. But a lot of times it's out of frustration to their current circumstances. I'm not trying to excuse any bad behavior. But a trailblazer would be something. Nipsey Hussle was a trailblazer. He wanted his neighborhood to be so successful. He went back into his neighborhood, opened up a store in that same neighborhood. You know what happened. All right, but a trailblazer is somebody that's willing to live and die for a great cause. So know who you are. First, figure out who you are. If you don't know who you are and where you're going, number one, you don't want to be born an original and then die a copy. trying to be somebody else. Be yourself, okay? A trailblazer is their own individual person. They know who they are. They know where they're going. If you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there. Just any old road. Pick a road and go down it. So you need to know where you're going. How are you going to know where you're going, trailblazer? Because we set goals. We have schedules, and we set ourselves up to win. Don't forget my adage, nothing succeeds like success. You are going to be a great trailblazer. I don't care what your age is. Think about areas of things that have not been conquered and go for it. You are a trailblazer, and many times the reason why those areas have not been conquered is because it wasn't the people's that are looking at it, but maybe it's your time to achieve it. Maybe it's your time to walk in the victory. Maybe it's your time. And if somebody should be a millionaire, somebody should be successful, why not you? Why not you, trailblazer? You are a trailblazer. You're anchored in hope and stooped in great revelation. And when they kiss each other, that's a sign of great victory. You want to walk in victory. And you, since you are a trailblazer, put your hand to something. Don't look back and just keep moving. Get informed, get educated. Figure out the ins and outs of what you need to do to be successful in that thing and go for it. That's my thought. Be a great trailblazer. Hi, trailblazer. I'm speaking to awesome trailblazers today. Thank you for tuning in. Come back and see me, trailblazer. Yeah, shout out down at the bottom some things you're thinking about doing. And you know what? We'll keep you in prayer, and we'll continue to encourage you. Drop your channel name. I think that you're an awesome individual, and I think you're going to make it. So keep pushing for success. Keep thriving. You're going to make it. Have a great day. Before I get started,
That's enough, Pluto.
like and share.